Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel V Library. In this video, we discuss about top 50 GK bits for upcoming all competitive exams. So, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Don't skip the video. Coming to the first one, a committee appointed in 1977 to review working of the Panchayati Raj was chaired by whom? Answer B. Ashok Mehta. Second one, which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the institution of Panchayati Raj? Answer C. Article 40. Third one, the implementation of Jawahar Rozgar Yojana rests with. Answer A. Gram Panchayat. Fourth one, when was the Panchayati Raj system introduced in India? Answer C. In 1959. Fifth one, the Panchayati Raj system was first started in India in the states of Rajasthan and answer A. Andhra Pradesh. Sixth one, a financial emergency can be declared by applying. Answer A. Article 360. Coming to seventh one, how many types of emergencies are investigated by the Constitution? Answer C. 3. Coming to eighth one, how many times has financial emergency been declared in India so far? Answer D. Never. Ninth one, how many times did the President of India declare national emergency so far? Answer D. Thrice. Coming to 10th one, which Indian state came under President's rule for maximum number of times? Answer A. Punjab. 11th one, the French East India Company was formed in. Answer C. In 1664. 12th one, the English East India Company was founded a permanent factory at Surat in the year. Answer B. In 1613. Next one, the administration of the English East India Company in India came to an end of. Answer B. In 1858. 14th one, Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India in which one of the following years? Answer A. In 1498. 15th one, who of the following built the temple of the sun god at Konark? Answer B. Narasimha I. 16th one, which was the birthplace of Guru Nanak? Answer D. Talwandi. Coming to next one, which one of the following places was famous as capital of Tipu Sultan? Answer A. Srirangapattam. 18th one, where was the first iron and steel industry of India established? Answer C. Jamshedpur. 19th one. The first railway line in India was opened in the year. Answer B. In 1853. Next one. In which of the following years was the first railway line between Bombay and Thane laid? Answer A. In 1853. Coming to next one. When was the Jawahar Rozgar Yojana launched? Answer C. In 1989. 22nd one. The government has renamed NREGA scheme and the name associated with the scheme is that of. Answer C. Mahatma Gandhi. 23rd one. Midday meal scheme was started in the year. Answer A. In 1995. 24th one. Midday meal scheme was launched in 1995 to promote. Answer C. Universalization of primary education. Coming to 25th one. Pradhana Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was launched in India on. Answer B. 28th August 2014. Next one. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme has been launched in India is. Answer D. Jan 2015. 27th one. The National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, nothing but NABARD, was established in the year. Answer D. In 1982. 28th one. The head office of the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development is located in. Answer D. Mumbai. 29th one. Where first Agriculture University of India was established. Answer B. Patnagar. 30th one. In which of the following years was the Food Corporation of India FCI set up? Answer C. In 1965. Next one. Which of the following rivers flows from India to Pakistan? Answer A. Satluj. Next one. Chilka Lake is A. Answer A. Saltwater lake. 33rd one. The longest river in India is. Answer B. Ganga. 34th one. Which one of the following soils is deposited by rivers? Answer C. Alluvial soil. 35th one. Black soil is known by which of the following name? Answer D. Regur soil. Next one. Which region has the practice of shifting cultivation in India? Answer C. Northeastern region. 37th one. In which city is the Forest Research Institute of India located? Answer C. Dehradun. 38th one. Which one of the wood is used in making cricket bats? Answer B. Cedrus deodara. 39th one. The Mahatma Gandhi National Marine Park is located in. Answer D. Port Blair. 40-bit. Sundarbans are found in which of the following state of India? Answer D. West Bengal. Next one. What we can do with a CD? Answer A. We can read. Next one. Built-in memory of computer is? Answer B. ROM. Next one. The place where the computer stores programs and data is called? Answer C. Storage unit. Next one. MS Word is an example of? Answer B. Application software. Next one. What are two examples of freeware? Answer D. Instant messaging and the Google toolbar. 46th one. Vitamin C is? Answer A. Ascorbic acid. Next one. Iodine deficiency in diet is known to cause? Answer D. Goiter. 48th one. Gamaxin is known as? Answer B. Benzene hexachloride. Next one. Aspirin is? Answer C. Antipyretic. Next one. The gas which is present in both the natural gas and the biogas is? Answer A. Methane. Okay, thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.